Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Sophie.
Nice to meet you, Sophie.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
Not so good, doctor. That's why I'm here.
Tell me, Sophie, what brings you here today?
Doctor, I don't feel well.
What is the problem?
I have a headache.
A headache. How long have you had it?
For 2 days.
2 days.
Yes, 2 days with headache.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel tired. Very tired.
Besides headache and tiredness, what else do you feel?
I also have a sore throat.
A sore throat. Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little cough.
Is it dry or with phlegm?
It's a dry cough.
Any fever?
Yes, yesterday I had a fever.
How high was your temperature?
It was 38 degrees.
Sophie, do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have allergies.
Do you take any medicine every day?
No, I don't take medicine every day.
Have you had this problem before?
No, this is the first time.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you drink alcohol?
Only sometimes, not often.
Sophie, I will check your throat. Please open your mouth.
Kaya.
Good. Your throat is a little red. Now I will listen to your chest. Please breathe deeply.
F.
Can please.
F.
Good. Your lungs sound clear. Do you feel pain in your chest?
No, doctor. No pain in my chest.
Do you feel dizzy?
Sometimes, yes. A little dizzy.
Sophie, how is your sleep? Do you sleep well?
Not really, doctor. I sleep only 5 hours per night.
Only 5 hours. That is not enough.
Yes, I know. I feel tired every morning.
Do you eat healthy food?
Sometimes, but I also eat fast food.
How many times per week?
Maybe 3 or 4 times.
I see. And do you exercise?
No, I don't exercise much.
Sophie, your symptoms may be connected.
Connected? What do you mean?
Headache, tiredness, sore throat, and fever, they can mean an infection.
An infection? That sounds serious.
Not too serious. Maybe a simple flu.
A flu. Okay.
Do you work a lot?
Yes, I work many hours every day.
Stress and lack of sleep can also make your body weak.
Yes, I understand.
Sophie, I recommend rest. You need more sleep.
Yes, doctor. I will try.
Drink water. Stay hydrated.
Okay, drink more water.
And eat healthy food, fruits and vegetables.
Less fast food, more vegetables.
Exactly. That will help your body recover.
Thank you, doctor.
Sophie, I will give you some medicine.
Medicine? Okay.
Take 1 pill 2 times a day.
1 pill 2 times a day.
Yes. In the morning and in the evening.
Morning and evening. Got it.
If you have fever again, you can take this syrup.
Syrup for fever. Okay.
And if you feel worse, come back immediately.
I understand, doctor. Thank you.
Sophie, do you have any questions?
No, doctor. Everything is clear.
Good. Remember, rest, drink water, eat healthy food, and take your medicine.
Yes, I will follow your instructions.
Excellent. I'm sure you will feel better soon.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Sophie. Take care.
Goodbye, doctor.
Goodbye. Get well soon.